Castor oil has become one of the most talked about natural remedies online. People call it nature's gentle version of a cosmetic treatment, and many swear by it for softer-looking skin and a healthy glow. But what if the most valuable benefit of castor oil has nothing to do with wrinkles at all? What if its deepest effect happens beneath the skin, where most people never even think to look? Today, we will explore what the science actually says about this ancient oil, both for skin support and for gentle immune wellness. If you enjoy calm, simple guides on natural remedies, feel free to subscribe. Here at Path of Herbs, everything is beginner-friendly and grounded in clear explanations. You are in the right place if you prefer a gentle approach without the hype. You might be wondering, what is castor oil anyway? Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It has been used for thousands of years, including in ancient Egypt, where it was valued for both medicine and daily living. In modern times, castor oil is recognized for its role as a stimulant laxative. It is also widely used in cosmetics, soaps, and topical creams. The key component responsible for most of its unique properties is ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid makes up more than 90% of the oil. Ricinoleic acid gives castor oil its thick texture, its moisturizing effect, and its well-documented anti-inflammatory activity. Understanding this single compound helps us understand why castor oil is still used today. Many people first discover castor oil because of its glowing skin reputation. So let us look at what the science actually supports. Castor oil is an occlusive. This means it helps lock in moisture by forming a gentle protective layer on the skin. This is why it works well for dried or flaky areas, for chapped lips, and for soothing skin after sun exposure. Because it holds moisture so well, castor oil can help the skin appear plumper and softer, which can make fine lines look less noticeable. Castor oil also contains antioxidants, which help reduce the effects of environmental stresses on the skin. A small study from 2023 looked at a cream containing castor oil for under-eye appearance. Over 2 months, 22 participants saw improvements in under-eye pigmentation, and some softening in the look of surface lines. More research is still needed, but these early findings are interesting. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of ricinoleic acid may also support calmer-looking skin during occasional breakouts. However, acne is complex, and large-scale studies are still limited. The overall picture is simple. Castor oil is an effective moisturizer with promising anti-inflammatory support. But the biggest part of its story goes beyond the surface of the skin. The real story behind castor oil. Some of the strongest claims surrounding castor oil focus on the immune system. This comes from a traditional method called a castor oil pack. A castor oil pack is a piece of cloth soaked in castor oil and placed on the skin with gentle heat. Traditionally, people place the pack on the abdomen, where it is believed to support the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the body's natural drainage network. It helps move immune cells, fluids, and waste materials. The idea is that castor oil may help support comfort and flow in this area. There was a small study in 1998 where participants using castor oil packs showed a temporary increase in lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. However, this study has not been repeated in large modern trials. Major medical institutions such as the Cleveland Clinic emphasize that more evidence is needed before making strong conclusions. Still, the anti-inflammatory effects of ricinoleic acid are documented in laboratory and animal research. So it is possible that castor oil packs provide localized comfort and relaxation where applied. Many people also find the ritual soothing, and the gentle warmth can help the body unwind. While castor oil packs are not proven detoxifiers or systemic immune boosters, they remain an interesting traditional practice with promising but incomplete science. How to use castor oil safely. The method you choose depends on your goal. Look for castor oil that is cold-pressed, hexane-free, and packaged in dark glass. Always patch test first. Apply a tiny amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to ensure there is no irritation. For softer and more hydrated skin, because castor oil is thick, it blends well with lighter oils. Mix equal parts castor oil with jojoba, almond or argan oil. Warm a few drops between your fingertips after cleansing. Press gently into the skin as a nighttime moisture treatment. If you prefer a lighter introduction, use it as an oil cleanser. Massage onto dry skin and remove with a warm, damp cloth. For localized soothing, with a castor oil pack, you will need high-quality castor oil, cotton flannel, a waterproof layer, and a warm compress. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil on the flannel. Place the flannel on your skin. Add the waterproof layer. Then place the warm compress on top. Rest for 45 to 60 minutes. Allow your body to relax fully. Store the used flannel in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator and reuse as needed. A reminder, if you are pregnant or have a health condition, please speak with your doctor before trying a castor oil pack. For skincare, castor oil offers real and practical benefits. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties are well supported. Its soothing feel and hydration make it an easy addition to your routine. For immune support, the science is far less certain. There is not enough evidence to say that castor oil boosts the immune system or detoxifies the body. But the long history of use, the documented anti-inflammatory action, and the consistent anecdotal experiences make this topic worth further study. Castor oil is not a miracle cure, but it is a gentle, versatile, and fascinating traditional remedy. If you enjoyed this balanced look at castor oil and you appreciate calm herbal education, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for being here.